Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at another one of our beautiful pre-owned trailers here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam. And boy, this one's a real beauty. We've got a park-size model trailer, family fun inside. We're going to get right into the 5 things I love about that. And thing number 1 is exactly that. You're taking a look at the outside. We've got a 2012 36BHDS. That's the model number on this one. Let's head inside. And like I say, thing number 1 I love about this is it's set up for family fun. And I'm going to show you exactly why. Look at this great bunkhouse right at the front of the trailer. We've got a little toy table here that'll drop down and double as an extra bed. So if the kids are coming along and they've got some company, you can drop that down, gives them an extra place to sleep. 2 nice bunks on the other side. Nice and bright in here as well. You've got room above here to set up a television for the kids. You've got storage there to get the kids' bags up and out of the way. So if the kids come sometimes or all the time, you've got that option up here in the front, both for storage or for a place for them to hang out and get away and enjoy a little personal space. Continuing the family fun theme, look at this big U-shaped dinette. You get the family around here, play some games, have dinner, those sorts of things. Of course, you're going to want to be outside, but you're going to get caught every once in a while with the bad weather. Nice to have the option to come on inside and enjoy that nice big space to socialize. Again, of course, that will also drop down and create double bed space, so you have a little bit of extra sleeping arrangement as well. Speaking of which, thing 2 I love about this trailer, you can sleep 8, maybe 9 people in this between the bunk, the couch that will pull out and create a hide-a-bed, the drop-down dinette, and of course the queen bedroom. We'll see that in just a minute. So that gives you some options for sleeping, so the family can come along. You've got that family fun vibe going on. Everyone decides they want to stay for a little bit and stay the night. You've got room to sleep up to 8 people comfortably. Thing 3 I love about this trailer is all the storage options. So here's a little pantry space here. You could use that maybe for some linens as well. Over top of the fridge, you've got some storage there too. All throughout the kitchen, great storage options. Drawers here, cupboard under the sink. Little cupboard underneath the entertainment center. Entertainment center, of course, is plumbed right into this one. You're all set and ready to go. You've got your stereo, your television, and again, we already saw that storage up in the front. We'll see some more storage as we head towards the back of the trailer too. Thing 4 I love about this trailer. I'm gonna go buy the residential fridge here. That's one of the things that just barely didn't make the list. I do enjoy that, but I had to pick 5. Nice big domestic sized fridge, so you can get your groceries all up in there, really use this as the cottage away. But thing 4 I love about this trailer is the large bathroom. It passes right through the center of the trailer. Here on the right, you've got a sink, medicine cabinet, storage underneath, more storage here just to the left of the sink. Nice big wardrobe there. Got a good sized shower in this one in the corner, foot flush porcelain toilet, and more storage in behind the toilet as well. Spot to hang up a few towels, but really all kinds of floor space in this bathroom to really open things up and give you that extra bit of elbow room as needed. Now, continuing the theme of size, thing 5 I love about this trailer is the extra large bedroom at the back. Look at all that floor space. More storage here. You've got a nice big wardrobe just to the left of the second door. Always nice to have 2 doors, 2 entries on a trailer this size. You've got a little storage unit there as well, a spot for a TV. And coming around, a nice little treat we've just put into the trailer is a brand new RV mattress. So you're getting a used trailer, but you're getting a brand new mattress. Gotta love that. That bed, of course, is a queen size bed on a slide. So you've got all kinds of space in there to get cozy and sleep. A little bit of storage above with some lights to keep everything nice and bright. So this has been 5 things I love about the 2012 Jayco 36BHDS here on the lot of Leisure Time Sales in Quispam. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton would love to help you as well. Come on down and see us. It's time to start shopping for a trailer if you want to be ready to go for spring. Enjoy your summer, get your vacation on the go. This one, of course, beautiful, nice big 36-foot trailer like this is going to be set up on a seasonal lot, but it is in a zone at which you can tow it as well with the right truck. So lots of options with something this size. Get yourself set up wherever you're comfortable and enjoy your camping with your family. This has been Jason Perkins for Leisure Time Sales. Stop by and see us.